Hello everyone. Today we are going to make paper fan. For this we need a sheet of paper and glue. Okay, now keep this paper like this and fold from the center. Okay, now once again we have to fold like this and once again we have to fold. We folded this 3 or 4 times. Okay, and when we unfold the paper, we will see these lines. Okay, आप देख रहे हैं ना ये लाइंस हमें पेपर फोल्ड करने में हेल्प करेंगे. These lines help us to fold the paper. Okay, now once again fold the paper like this along with the line. Flip it and fold. आपको ये इसी तरीके से करते जाना है. You have to fold from the center. And paste with glue. Now open this. Your beautiful fan is ready. You can carry it whenever you want and wherever you want. Bye.